California. We are making pancakes as usual.
I'm Brand right now.
And we know what is pretended cheeseburger.
No, I'm not. I'm the real Brand.
We're making pancakes. We organized it. As you can see behind, it's blue because we are remaking our kitchen. We are going to show you the ingredients. You will need our secret ingredient is chocolate chips. You will need 1 teaspoon
ingredients of butter and
cinnamon, and this is vanilla extract, milk, coconut oil, chocolate chips, 2 large eggs.
That was actually for my eggs,
spoon. We're just using the spoon for the butter, and I'm using
I'm opening
it for
it
the
up.
2 eggs. And now onto the dry.
So what we have for the dry here is flour, a whisk, a spatula. What is it? A spatula? A spatula. Coconut, dry coconut.
We don't use
Sugar.
that on the table.
Baking powder, and of course, twist all the things together.
Yes.
Let's get started.
Waylon's stop it.
And this
Okay,
way.
Waylon's gonna peel this, and we're gonna put this whole butter in here, and I'm gonna go heat it up. So,
Let's get started.
while she's doing that, we're gonna watch what Zai's gonna do.
It's going to be really hard to do because I don't know how to do this. So, oh my gosh. This is what Bella's going to help me with here.
And since we have half a cup here, we are gonna use, and we want 1 cup, we are gonna use 2 cups of it.
Oh my gosh, I'm making
Or
a
you could
mess.
just grab 1 cup and just put it in there, and then
Can I do it right?
smooth it off.
My finger.
We should have
I do not know how to do this, okay?
Waylon, have you
We
peeled it?
did this
We
a
are gonna-
million times already.
Here's a reminder: do not put metal objects in the microwave.
A very good reminder.
And always wash your hands.
Before you even touch any food. That would be unsanitary. Because other people are going to eat these. So. How do you do this?
Well, that's it. I'm gonna help this one.
This is
Wait,
so
let me get something so
hard. Oh yeah, baby.
I got butter.
Okay, you just did. Okay. This is very hard to do. So, have an adult help you when you do this. It's done.
So this is how you should have it.
And then put it in. Ah, so much pattern.
And if you don't see my dad, he is still sleeping because it's like 7:44.
Bella, it's done!
Baby, not yet.
Oh, I'm not late now. It's actually... Right. Okay, let me put it in. Let me.
And now I'm all twisted.
Okay.
Now back to Waylon.
And then more barbarian. Oh my gosh.
She is gonna stir her butter.
Her butter. She likes doing the butter.
Yeah,
It's like-
she always asks. Now it's time to crack the egg. We are back, you guys. We are sorry for that setback when you had to wait for a little bit, but it's because we didn't know the ingredients for the stuff. So my mom told us she's filming. That's why you don't see her. At the end of the video, you guys will see her put chocolate chips because we don't do that because it's hard on. So now we go back. I will leave the recipes down below. Now I cracked this giant egg. Perfect. One egg, another. Wait, keep starting. Two large eggs. Done.
Okay,
Now you want to whisk it. See, this is how I whisk it. With my fork, I go up, down, like that. Until you get it all good and combined. Now Zai is going to go.
I'm going to put some baking powder in 4 cups. I mean 4 teaspoons. Why do I say cups? 4 teaspoons.
She doesn't know what cups.
I don't know. Okay, so you want to make sure to let it
Wait, Len, go wash your hands.
You're going to do this one right here. The flame alone. Always want to level your things.
So then you have a perfect amount.
1.
I'm going to go throw these things. I don't want to do it. So you go.
All done. Now we put it in like 10 seconds.
Did you see that? She took a... Now you are going to put it back in because there's still a lot of cups and we want it like very, very liquid. Maybe down like this.
I'm going to mix it a little bit.
Now put it in with our microwave.
Don't call it baby. I'm bread. Get out of the way.
And put 30 seconds and then take it out after that. You want to do 30 seconds 2 times.
Kicking
And while you're doing, while we're waiting for that, we are going to start finishing chocolate. So how many of these? One of these, I think. One of these.
Here's a spoon.
One of these, I'm going to let her do it.
I said, wait.
So one of wait, who am I get? One of these.
Just use my hand for this. Hands are really dust. Why my hands are dust?
I'm breaking this. It's so hard.
Remember to have it though.
Be
Help
super
spicy. Yeah. And help. And get help.
This is the liquid we wanted. This is how we wanted it to be.
Oh my gosh. So, yes, I will do it.
I wonder why she wants to eat it. Wait for it. Go start yours. Go start. Okay, then she took over that. Don't put it in. So, side.
So next, I think I am going to put some. How do you open this? Some sugar. If I can open it. Yeah, I can open it. So hard to open it. I'm having a struggle here.
You struggle.
Yep. I use my scissors here.
Wait. Oh no, there. I use this. No, wait. Oh, this is so hard. Just 1 tablespoon of coconut oil right here. Stop. Okay, and we are almost done. So let's put this in. I'm gonna put it into our butter. That's it.
So while they are doing that, I'm going to be doing this.
No.
I think I'm going to be doing this side. need a teaspoon, but I don't know. Am I holding the teaspoon?
Let me see. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah, there's a teaspoon. She needs to learn this, you guys.
Yes, I need.
Because if I'm not here and Wavy's just here, just standing on this, she needs to know what to do.
Okay, so I think I'm going to be using this side. Again, 4 of them. So,
Okay, you guys. Now, you guys. Now, I'm gonna add 2, 3 vanilla extract. It smells so good, but tastes so bad if it's not mixed in with anything. Okay, now I need this.
just that.
I'm gonna use this side because they already used this side for their thing. Wait, but stop.
I think now I'm going to start
Now,
whisking it together with our whisk.
now I'm
I'm going to be careful so I don't put
adding
myself.
1. How many?
With my arm.
Uno. 1. Guys, you'll always see her hands while she's flipping and putting in the chocolate chips.
Okay, so
Or maybe this time we won't let. Maybe this time she won't do it.
and whisk it evenly. Combine. Lick it on.
Okay, I think it's time to put the milk. Or something.
The milk's right here.
I know about the milk. You're greedy.
I'm just saying, the milk is right here.
How many cups? Uno. Oh, 2 of these. So, since this has a cup, we need 2 of these for the back.
I think we're going to put it in here.
No, we're trying.
Oh, what in the world? I don't know what to do. Okay, but I'm still going to be whisking. Okay. You want it?
1.
You want it to
And a
look?
half.
You want it to look like this.
And then 2.
I watched it.
So that's like almost like this much.
Kinda.
And now gently stir it.
Yes.
Wait, I think we already put this stir. So I put this side, leave a lid. So now we roll it. I think we do. Sure. We'll put this here and until we're actually done.
Can I do it?
Huh? Okay.
I want to do
So
it.
wait, you want to tap it for me? I'll hold it. You just tap it.
Okay, my hands are off.
She's just.
Oh my god!
That's enough. That's enough.
That's enough! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Take it out, take it out.
She probably put too much.
Now we can put some.
Now stop it.
It's gonna be too spicy.
Okay, I guess we'll put some size.
Let me put some.
Tap it.
Hey, what are you doing? Ah! Bella. Okay, I think now I'm gonna use my hands to mix it. So
No. No, Zai.
Just
Use this with.
Give
Wait.
What has she been doing?
You guys, she's making a big mess.
Okay, it doesn't take you that long to whisk.
Smells like gingerbread. It smells really good.
It smells like mint. Okay. Oh my gosh. It smells like gingerbread house. Okay.
I think we're done with this. I think it's time to add the eggs into that.
So,
Is it cold enough? Yeah.
now you want it to look like this, not too much.
I have to taste it.
brown.
Maybe no, not like that. I'm gonna pour it into there.
Okay. Crack, crack. Okay.
We made a mistake, so we're it's a mistake. Hopefully it's
Oh! The drop!
looks so pretty.
What is that? Oh, yeah, it's
I'm trying to not spill.
a plant. Okay.
It's like those games. You have to try not to spill. Like, don't crack it.
We have some coconut too.
She's gonna put some coconut into her coconut.
We're gonna be doing
And
coconut.
maybe
coconut.
she'll end up eating it.
We're gonna be doing coconut chocolate chip packets. Coconut is our secret.
Wait a minute.
Now we put it in.
She's trying to lick it!
Oh, okay.
Wavelet, stop it. It's a
So
Wavelet. She was trying to eat it. And I was telling her, but Mom had to tell her she was gonna get sick.
okay, let me first
But now she's sticking her tongue out.
the sugar over here. Ah,
Okay, I think we're Wavelet, stop it.
what? Stop trying to lick her.
Wavelet, stop it, please.
Now I'm gonna
Can you please
mix
stop
it all
it, Wavelet?
together.
Wavelet!
This- Oh, there's more. Little more coconut. Who doesn't like coconut?
Oh, I do.
Better wash your hands after this.
And more.
Wait, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Oh my gosh. You can feel it. You can feel the dry coconut.
It's like snow.
Hey, this is my jockey. Let it go back to your Wavelet.
I'll stay over here because this baby is a cheer.
Why you still eating the coconut? though?
Coconut's good for you. And it's delicious.
I think our mom got that from Trader Joe's. So you can go to Trader Joe's and get the coconut if you want to put it in here. It's dry coconut. But then it'll get moist when it's like, when you start flipping.
Yeah.
And
It's really good.
when this gets in there,
Okay, yeah, this is gonna be hard.
okay, I'm gonna make a little hole with my hand so it's easier.
So I move your hand.
Oh my god! Okay, I'm getting ready to mix it.
I need you to scrape inside.
What does he mix this mix?
Okay, now let me.
Doesn't matter. You get a best when you're baking. I should say baking. Let me just get it off your cheek. Blush it off.
I already got the side. So now I let you guys stir it. That way we go stir it with
Hey,
And now
wait.
my mother is still standing.
Yes, those time. Wait. We're going to take some out. Take it off. Yeah, good girl. Oh, I'm drinking this milk. No. Yeah, I'm drinking this milk. I really want to drink it. No. Want this? Have this to drink. You drink some.
I want to drink and not chocolate chips now. My mom didn't want to show herself to the camera, but you're sure you'll see her in other vlogs. She gave us the chocolate chips, and we are gonna put them in. Yeah.
Doesn't matter how you do it. You can just pour it all in or do it. I made a snowflake. I made a snowflake. Bella ruined it. She got all of that.
Now we're gonna grab some for us to eat.
We get to have some because
So let me see your hand.
we started to make it.
Wait a minute. Let me give it to you. Okay, that's all you get then.
I eat it one at a time. Sometimes that's where they go into something.
Yeah, sometimes she just puts it in.
No, that Boston gets a lot.
And now, we are going to ask you a question at the end of the video. Okay? Now, we hid a toy in this video. Which toy did you see? A broken num
That we had from
a chalk and eraser, a creepy pony, or this cute little blue boots. Which one? Leave in the comments below which one you saw. Bye, And you guys, my mom is gonna go flip, and we're gonna get some action in there. I'm gonna be filming. My mom's gonna be flipping pancakes, and we're gonna show you. And please always ask the parents permit. Have a parents supervision and ask the parents to do it for you because we don't want you guys to get hurt. Now back to the stove. Okay, so you want to butter the pan. Put some butter over there. So you could use, if you did half of the butter, you could just like use that half and spread it with your spatula. Okay, and you wanna put. Then after you could grab a spoon and put your pancake mix here on your pan. Make sure before you flip, make sure you have like bubbles on it and have an adult again. Now I will be filming. Now we're back. My mom's flipping them. Look at that action.
She's a flipping master.
Yes, she is. You should see what Zai does all the time. Just makes it all explode.
I can only do little ones.
She can only do little ones because she's only little.
What do you want?